Hello everybody, I'm back with another thrift haul. This thing is filled. So let's go through it. Maybe I'll try on some stuff and let's just see what I got. So the first thing that I got is these bathing suit bottoms from Aerie. I have the top to them and I don't know if these will be too big, but I figured I'd get them just in case and then I'll have a matching set. Then I also got this bathing suit top. I don't know where it's from, but I loved the details on it. So hopefully I can just kind of find a pair of bottoms that will match it. The next thing I got were a couple fun little sticker thingies. So I got these stickers for me and my sister. I got these little flower type accessories and I think they just stick on the back. I don't know what I'll use those for, but Halloween's coming up, so we'll see. And then I also got these like lobster clasps for like bracelets or jewelry or whatever. So those are always useful for little crafts. So that's always good. And for the last few little things that I got this little light up balloon. Glows for 15 hours. I don't know when I'll use it, but I've had like a glow in the dark party before. So it's always good to have fun stuff on hand. And then I also got this little pendant. And I feel like that'll look nice, like a little shiny. And the last thing that I got for accessories is this bag. I'm doing a trip to Montreal with my friends and I'm going for a very like earthy toned look. So I feel like this will be good to carry around, especially when I'm not going to need a big bag with me. The next thing that I got is this Kendall and Kylie shirt. It's like soft material. I don't know if you can see that. I like it. It's too big for me, but I still had to get it. It's cute. And it's brand new and still has all the tags on it. So I thought this was a good find. And then this one I'll do a try on. It's a green, like a very dark green velvety dress. You never know when you'll need something like this. So if you can find it and thrift it and it looks good, then I think it's worth it. Here's the dress on. It fits pretty well. I like the back, I like the front. But it's a little bit like long in these straps, so maybe I just have to fix that. But this would be good if I'm like going out or doing something and I need a dress. So yeah. And then I tried on the bathing suit bottoms. They fit pretty good, so I'm happy about that.